in terms of giving the Kenyan public the assurance that we have put necessary infrastructure in place to be able to secure the exams. Now that includes setting up of two main command centers, one at the National Examination Council and another one at the Ministry of Interior. And then we also have a separate center at Communications Authority for purposes of coordination, but also being able to respond to any issues or incidences, including emergencies that might occur over a period of the examinations. We know that we are already receiving above normal rainfall in certain parts of the country, particularly in eastern and northeastern, and we have instituted measures at the county and sub-county level. We have our security committees and disaster and emergency response offices that are fully functional to be able to deal with those emergencies that would arise as a result of the normal to above normal rainfall that would interfere with the movement of exam materials, but also of access to the examination centers. We have equally deployed a huge number of police officers, in excess of 60,000 across the country, who are working closely with the teachers and our colleagues in the Ministry of Education and ICT, as well as National Government Administration officers. Actually, we have the Deputy County Commissioners who man the containers where the exams are stored. And we are working under a multi-agency framework where all the players are being involved and are being engaged to ensure that our labs and the candidates go through this period of examinations with minimal, if not any interference in that process. Before I continue, allow me to invite